today is when it's not even midday when it's already in the 40s. What the fuck, man? Let's get it. Out on road, let's go, go, go. And let's send that dish, boy. Let's send it. Downside of bloody naked bike, I do have to say. You get ripped back if you pull too hard, boy. What's good, YouTube? I am just ecstatically static because it's the weekend. And my brother, why are you sitting right smack bang in the middle of your lane, my brother? There we go. Get into the shoulder, bud. Get into the shoulder. Yep. So I'm ecstatic. It's the weekend. And it is cruise time. So I'ma have me a little bit of fun, y'all. Oh, well, they're the cafe racers. Oh, hello. Hello, is that a AMG? A Mercedes? No, it's a Jag. It is a little Jaguar. Oh no, it's an Aston. Whew. That's a clean ass Aston. Oh, that is one of my dream cars. A Vantage or an old school DB9. Boy, those things are cray cray nice. And voila, c'est awesome. Hey yo, it's dropped 4 degrees, what the heck? Hells yeah, buddy. Hells yeah. Oh, that cold ocean breeze, boy. Oof, you're waiting a while there, bud. No, why I gotta do 60? I don't wanna. 160 though. Actually, question. What's your favorite bikes? Nakeds, sports, race, cruisers, cafe races? What fixes your itch? Damn, I messed that one up. Yeah, what gives you that fix to that little dirty itch? What kind of bikes do you guys like? Like class of bike? Or style of bike? Yeah, style of bike, not class of bike, style of bike. Because I remember when, what was it? It would have been, oh, that's too toy. I remember when I first started riding, when I think I was 16, 17, race bikes were my jam. Sports bikes, like the Panda and that really aggressive riding style. That was my jam. Then as I aged and you know, had my motorcycle accident, I kind of, how would you say, moved very far away from sports bikes. That's why I got this baby. Cause yeah, the one thing I couldn't do anymore was lean over on my wrist for too long. Because after my accident, I had surgery on my wrist. So my wrist, I would say, is a bit of a weak point. And obviously not riding a sports bike much longer, the stamina that is required to sit on one or use one has kind of diminished a bit. So, because I struggled with that R, even for that short time that I rode, boy, did that really sit heavy on my wrist. Alright, buddy. Alright, pal. That used to sit, well, sits very heavy on my wrist. Mind you, given if I had it again, another race bike, I'll be all Gucci and I'll build up that stamina perfectly fine. But buddy, your mirror's a bit broken there. What? Excuse me, my brother. Coming through, my brother. Thank you, my brother. Man, why do I get the smell of weed around here for some reason? That shit like baked up edibles or some shit. Woo! Come on. Yeet. Yeet. Yeet, yeet. Don't, yep, sit on the right side of the shoulder, please. Yup, 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 yup. You fucking legend. Oh, thank you very much. And do I go? Do I go? Do I go? Do I go? Go, go. Hey, how's it going? The time for that shit. Yeah, that used to be my old school bicycle. I hate these cars. I can actually go right over here, but fuck it. Hey yo, I can do cliche corner. Fuck yeah, I'm going through cliche corner. Can I filter up? Can I filter up? Oh, it might be tight. Dong 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 dong. Filter hells to the air, brother. Gimme, gimme. Oh. Hey yo, that's a Lamborghini old Gallardo huggers. I don't know if he'll make it into the video, but the other night when I was riding back from the night ride, there was a nice Gallardo, green Gallardo trying to race me. But that shit was fun until we noticed the speed camera popping up. Because we got the notification on the side of the road like, hey, camera ahead. And I was just like, uh-oh, brake check. What the fuck, you fat BMW piece of shit. Move it. Check corner. Alrighty then. Let's see how we go. Well, there is a place that I want to take the bike so we can get some decent pictures. Hey yo, Toyota, move that shit. It doesn't look like there's a lot of people there, but a lot of dodgy fuckers underneath the bridge. Alright, let's have a gaze. Yeah, oh, jet skis, let's go! But yeah, that's the little pier, essentially. What I want to do is take my bicycle over there and have a little photo shoot and see what happens. Because I've done it before. Let's see if I can do it with this one. Because I haven't been able to do it with this bike. I've done it with my old bike. Ooh. Might get it a bit of an angle. More of an angle. Ooh, and that's nice and cool too. Lovey-dovey. Well, oh, fuck yes. Now, isn't that a sexy little beast? Oh, not little. Pipes are coming along nicely. Get that titanium bearing going. Need a new chain and sprocket set for sure. But, oh la la, mon ami. Alright, I'm going to take some pictures, so peace.